Google Tag Manager is a simple yet powerful solution to manage marketing tags without any codes and track conversions. In this video, we will cover how you can track respondents' actions by adding marketing tags to your forms. To set up this integration, you will need a Google Tag Manager account, a Forms app premium plan, a custom domain set for your forms, and finally a form to add the tracking code. For the first step, go to your Google Tag Manager account and copy the Google Tag Manager container ID at the top of the screen. Then, open one of the forms you have on Forms app and head over to the Connect tab. Here you can find Google Tag Manager integration. Click on the Connect button to see integration settings. Just enter your Tag Manager container ID. Before saving your integration, make sure to enable showing cookie consent on your form to be able to collect tracking data. That's it. Now, the form submission event will be automatically sent to your Tag Manager account whenever someone submits your form. What's more, you can use Google Tag Manager to deploy and manage any marketing tags, including third-party platforms such as Google Analytics, Metapixel, Hotjar, CRM tools, and more. If you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and like to let us know. Check out our other videos to see how you can create better forms.